Welcome everyone to the filter tutorial guide for Labii ELN and LIMS. Labii helps scientists document, manage, and interpret research data all in one online repository. This video will explain what a filter is in Labii, how to use filters, and most importantly, how to save time by using filters. Let's start by defining the term filter within Labii. A filter is a function similar to advanced search in regards to building a query when creating a new filter. However, filter takes us to another step as you can save search queries for later use. To start, let me demonstrate how easy it is to create a new record filter. Simply click on the table's icon on the navbar, select the table, experiments for this video. First thing you'll notice is the sidebar with multiple filter functions, but let's just focus on how to create a new experiment filter first. And to do so, simply click Create Experiment Filter, and here just type in the name of the experiment filter, the description, and then for digest frequency, that's just how often you want to receive the digest email for the filter, and here are a few options. And then for users, you can select the users that you'd also like to use this filter, and your name will be added automatically. And here, to create a query, which is similar to advanced search, you select a field, lookup expression, so the name is equal to test. You also have the ability to add additional queries by simply clicking Add Query. Once this is all done, you hit Submit and you are done with creating an experiment filter. Now, going back to the previous screen in which you can easily access the filter functions directly from the sidebar. So you have active experiments here. I have 2, I have 0 archive experiments, I have 2 experiments to my name, and then if you created a new filter, it too will be shown here within the sidebar. And one more thing I wanted to cover is the predefined filters. So for some, it might seem difficult at first to create filters, so Labii created predefined filters, and here are the filters we've created. Let's say if you would like to add a filter from this list to your own list, let's say for an example, my signed experiments. Simply click Save, and that selected filter will be automatically included in the sidebar as shown here. As you can see, filters in Labii can save you a lot of time as you do not have to reinvent the wheel each time. Thank you guys for watching, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.